All right, guys. Yo, what up? This
Let's
is
get it.
Rami,
Yo, this is King.
and we're about to react to the Birthday Blizzard 2026, hosted by DJ Clue, J. Cole, or J. Fraud. And then we're gonna discuss a little bit more about what J. Cole's doing, and if yeah, it's a whole bunch of stuff. Apparently, it's only 4 songs. It's all freestyles, not really freestyles, but freestyles off. I think I supposedly it's all Diddy tracks. I don't know why, but
Hey,
yeah, you'll know since you're a super '90s hip hop head. So, the first song, I think it shows it on here, is Bronx Zoo Freestyle. So let's get it.
Yeah. DJ Clue, to the storm. We gonna set this shit off. You know how we do things. Word.
In a Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wide lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas are lame. Came up from
Before I continue, if you catch a bar, or I'm sure he's dissing. That's what I've heard the online talk. Like, let me know to pause and stuff. But I already heard Biggie, so yeah, Diddy tracks.
Biggie.
in a Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wide lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas are lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it all changed. Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Oh man, your name's a big conversation. Max
All that
Deals,
gossip.
Luka
The gossip, yep.
Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master 2 skills, either dick riding or hating.
And we're on the hating
That's true.
side. And we're on the hating side. But that is true
That's
though.
true.
There's the ones that are gonna glaze you, the stands, or they're gonna hate on you, the haters. But I think we're pretty non-biased though. And people will call us haters, but I think we're pretty non-biased.
Conversation, max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master 2 skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally live out of her basement is found in one magical word, and it's engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna.
That's all
That's
Twitter
what.
is all engagement. I'm guessing that's what it is for Instagram, right?
That's what. I mean, that's what sells, man. That's what gets eyes on
Engagement
everything.
farming, yup. Unfortunately, that's what it is right now.
Personally, I don't write comments, I write commas, withdrawals for pictures to pin.
That's a Diddy thing. He said, personally, I don't write comments, I write commas. I think Diddy said something like a bar like, don't worry, if I write my rhymes, I write checks.
Right checks, yeah.
Yeah.
Draws to fall off. They want to know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up.
I fucking hate this guy, man. I hate this guy so much because we both know he can rap hard, but he pussied out of the beef, man. That shit gets me tight every time, man. That was quite literally a once in a lifetime that was built up for like a decade, and he pussied out. That shit pisses me off, bro.
Yeah, that shit. Yeah, that's tough, man.
Oh my god.
Cause like, I don't know, man. Maybe he was afraid of some allegations or some shit that people might. I don't know. Who knows?
Man, I had this guy's like, I was like, this guy can rap better than Drake and Kendrick. And look, he disappointed me, man. This is crazy, man.
Be his. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did, with the whole game on his shoulders, not even straining to hold it. I can spin around my fingers and bowl it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of Christopher Wallace that came in and wrote it. First name Jermaine and it's goaded. Never once his fame been a motive. Far from it. Respect first. Next up, my net worth. The best verse belongs to the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I stomped through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sauce, y'all got lost in all this false floss, and dog, it's exhausting, right? I hate these rapping like I'm Charleston White. Give all the writers to all.
You got that? I hate these niggas like I'm Charleston White. What the hell?
Yo, I love Charleston White, man.
He's hilarious, yeah.
And dog, it's exhausting, right? I hate these rapping like I'm Charleston White. Give all the writers to authors. It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tireless to me. Stop bothering me.
Pause.
You caught something?
That arthritis bar sounds familiar. I think someone has said something similar to it before. I can't think of the top of my dome, but that That sounds very familiar. That Arthritis, or I might have maybe Eminem.
Yeah, Eminem has. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
think
from
Eminem.
it's from his re-up No Apologies. Arthur with arthritis, carpal tunnel, Marshall with starship-itis. Yo, check that shit out, guys. No
Some shit like
Apologies, it's
that.
fire.
To authors, it's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tallers to me. Stop bothering me. Young Simba, some niggas threw some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. The top ain't really what I thought it would be. And so I jumped off it, landed back at the bottom, and restarted.
No. You saw what he said? He said the top ain't what I thought it would be, so I jumped off. Nah. You were there. And
He's joking.
yeah.
At a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them all to keep up. I love it. Truly, I'm aging backwards. In the sandboxes, I play with trappers. The K's pop like Asian rappers. The bullets grazing afros, piercing through front doors and lips. The
Wait, he mentioned something about K-pop. Hold on.
K's pop like Asian rappers. The
Oh, like Asian rappers. Okay, K-pop Asian rappers. Sorry.
bullets grazing afros, piercing through front doors and left holes in a baby mama's favorite bathroom. Thank God no one was home. I'm so in the zone. Might wake up at 4 in the morning. Start mourning alone, discover the snakes, pull up to your place and going alone. Creep to your room, put 4 in your dome. If your girl scream, tell the queen, bitch, lower your tone. Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone, add me on IG. I used to be top seed, apology dropped me, way out of the top 3. No problem, I'm probably my best when they doubt me. Watch me. Watch
No. I don't like that he said that. You saw what he said? He said, well, let me listen to it again.
Add me on IG. I used to be top seed,
Out of the
apology
top
dropped
3.
me, way out of the top 3. No problem, I'm probably my best when they doubt me.
No one's doubting you. No one doubted you. You doubted yourself and left. That's what happened. No one doubted J.
Yep.
Cole. He did reply, right, on the My Deleter thing. I didn't think it was that good of a diss. And then he deleted it. That's crazy. You delete your own diss. And then he left. That's crazy. So no one doubted you, J. Cole. You doubted yourself and dipped because you couldn't handle it.
That's crazy.
It's just normal, just battling.
I feel like he could have dropped something, even if it wasn't like just a regular diss, just saying that you're the best. It didn't even have to take like personal shots. He could have just even dropped some generic something, like drop something,
Yeah.
but he just pussied out. Cause I feel
Mhm.
like if he would have dropped something that didn't involve like personal shots, maybe others would have responded the same way, like Kendrick or Drake, or
Yeah.
even who knows if they would have even responded. But
Yeah, because all
he
Kendrick
didn't.
said was like, "There's no big 3, it's just Big Me." That's it.
Yeah.
And
And then he could have just dropped some generic shit like, "No, nigga, I'm that nigga," blah 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 or whatever.
exactly.
But damn, man, that's crazy.
But instead, he did a 7-minute diss that was pretty weak. Even he was like, "Yo, that diss was so ass that it was didn't sit right with my spirit. I had to delete it." Like, oh my god, man. Yeah.
Watch me. Watch me.
Oh, we watching. We watching.
To the storm.
DJ Glue.
J. Cole. J. Cole. DJ Clue. To the storm. To the storm.
So that was I'm guessing they're probably gonna do the next one right. But so that was Bronx Zoo freestyle. Obviously a Diddy track. What's the name of that track? Do you know? Bum, bum, bum,
I don't know. I don't know the
bum.
top of my head.
Is it from No Way Out? The Diddy album? I think it is. I'm guessing. I'm not sure exactly, but
I don't remember.
what do you think about it? I mean, if he didn't freaking pussy out, I'll be like, yeah, he's cooking. But it's like
The problem with Cole is that his tracks are not really bad, bro. But we're just pissed that he let us down. Is what we're
Yeah.
But then you have these J. Cole glazers that they'll glaze to the end of the earth and back him up. It's like he was trying to be the bigger man and those are his friends, blah blah blah. Like shut up, bro. This is
No.
rap, bro. It's not
Yeah.
that deep.
It's not that deep. You can't be, yo, I'm the greatest. Anybody that tries to come at me, I'm gonna kill them. And then they come at you. and then you pussy out. You can't be. He was saying that shit for months, for years, that he would destroy anybody, and look what happened. Nah.
And his thing was like, oh, people keep doubting me. People keep
Mm-hmm.
doubting me. Like people are putting me like number 3 or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And
They gave me the bronze.
but now you gave him now you gave him even more doubt.
Exactly. The next one is Golden Goose Freestyle. So like guys, we already know the rappers are gonna be lit. He's not a bad rapper. He's a really good rapper. But it's kind of hard to believe this tough talk that he's saying right now because of what he did before. But let's see what happens.
You know what?
Cold of truth, got they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop to the boats or cruise ship. So the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. A lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it. If I said it, then I wrote it, stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is Hope Mills Road Cold and seen more beef than them folks at Roof Chris. Teach a man how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drift? I'm swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? Like they roll for Q-tip. Sure, but just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cupid. Or leave windows cracked, you been known that. I'm worldwide, these niggas like a little known fact. They lack focus and they pause is putrid. From poison of all different sorts they using. If the streams say you're winning while your tours is losing. When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting. Cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your life, cause the ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing.
He's taking shots at Drake here. There's a whole bunch of references to Drake. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's no way this nigga's actually taking shots at Drake. When this nigga Cole set him up, this nigga Cole started the beef dip that left Drake to fucking get murked by like 20 niggas. That's crazy. Look, let's see if we can catch it. He said a whole bunch of shit.
That mean the bots is boosting, cut the tough. Poison of all different sorts they using. If the streams say you're winning while your tours is losing.
If the streams say you're winning while your tours say you're losing, I think Drake might have stopped the tour or canceled the tour. I know he was touring like in Australia or some shit like that.
I don't know. I refuse to believe that Drake's tours aren't doing good, because like, man, I've been to one of Drake's stadium concerts, bro, and them shits be packed to the maximum.
I bet. It's karaoke
I
session
don't know.
there.
I doubt that his tours are doing bad.
Let's see what else he says.
When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting. Cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive.
Tough guy image, you know Drake been on this tough gangster mob boss shit for a while.
I can't take Drake seriously when he acts tough. So
yeah,
if anyone like sees him as a tough guy, they tripping.
Yeah, I don't. We need that vulnerable Drake. That simp Drake.
Then don't gamble with your life, cause
gamble with life. You know that this nigga Drake is always gambling on steak and shit.
The ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for
Dog. They just had his most recent album was the dog shit. For all the dogs.
And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around.
No. There is a stain on your name, son. There's a big stain on your name. You stained that shit yourself. You shitted yourself. And down the word is never gonna. You got the. No matter how much bleach you use, that shit, you're done for.
Round dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without a chain on my frame, niggas can never know the pain of Jermaine. But I can't name a thing that I ain't overcame. I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things interchange?
So that was Golden Goose freestyle. Like I said, I'm fine. I'm pretty sure he's gonna rap his ass off. I just can't believe he dissed Drake. That's crazy. That's crazy, son. That's crazy.
What's crazy is that I don't think this is ever gonna happen again. I don't think there's gonna be like this is ever again. In terms of, like, not other people, but like Drake, Kendrick, and Cole again. That's
Mhm.
never gonna happen again. Never gonna happen again, bro.
Yeah, I can't
That
see
was
it
a once
happening.
in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime, bro. That's never gonna happen again.
Big facts. And you
Like,
know, apparently
nah,
hip
man.
hop is like it's dying or some shit. Like they're barely on the Billboard charts now.
And if it does happen again, it would be wild because I just don't think Drake wants to go through that again. Maybe Kendrick. Kendrick might go back, maybe release something. If he feels like
Like another
maybe
diss or
J. Cole's
something?
taking, maybe not like a diss. Maybe he'll probably release something saying, "Oh no, I'm that guy still" or whatever. Maybe, but
Mm.
I don't think I see Drake getting involved in some shit. That shit was too detrimental to Drake. Granted, he has hardcore Stan fans,
Yeah.
but like,
You know what's crazy? I'm pretty sure Drake wasn't even gonna reply. But J. Cole uh kind of fucked that up for him because J. Cole replied. So it kind of forced Drake's hand. That's what I'm saying. Like J.
man,
Cole set him up. Think about Drake put this nigga on his tour, gave him mad money and shit, bigged him up on stage like every night, and then this nigga J. Cole does that shit. It's crazy. I can't believe this shit. Gave him his first #1. Crazy.
which
Crazy.
which is kind of crazy because like I fucked with Drake's disses too. Like I thought they were pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm honestly I might even put them a little bit probably over most of Kendrick's disses because I just liked the songs more.
Oh, damn, if the K-bot
Like the
see this,
disses
they're about to end you.
probably. I mean,
Shit.
I'm not a big Kendrick fan like that in general, anyways.
I
I'm
like
not a big
Euphoria.
Drake fan either. Honestly, if I would say I'm more of a J. Cole fan than Drake and
Because he's a rapper's
um
rapper, right?
Kendrick. Yeah, but he just disappoints me so bad, bro.
Big time, son. Big time. All right, this one's called Winter Storm Freestyle.
New York City.
Bam bam.
New York City is crazy outside right now.
Who shot ya?
Who shot ya? Let's parade the week.
DJ Clue,
New York, New York. But it's beautiful. You know what I mean? New York, stay alive. That's
This
the only
must
thing.
be interesting. This is gonna be an
Hey
interesting
yo,
one.
scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the
You got that one right. I feel like Lori Harvey,
Ran
like
through who, though?
I ran
Ran
through
through
them
who?
niggas, like them niggas,
Ran through who?
like
No,
the
no, I know,
guys.
but like ran.
Cause she ran
Huh?
through what Diddy's son.
No, no, no. I know that part. But who did J. Cole? You ain't ran through nobody, bro.
They keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter. Trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat of the South. You could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity. Means say I'm humble, but trust this humility's from witnessing violence and turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards. Nigga, you kidding me?
My God.
Cole gets older but grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility. Come witness perfection.
Stop it.
Oh,
Yeah, you heard it, nigga. He's Zena with Goku agility. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
But grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility. Come witness perfection. These niggas perplexing like witness protection. Get whole new identities. Then start rapping, but what happened to the real you? I used to get self-conscious around real gangsters, and I still do. Find peace with the audience you appeal to. Be yourself, living your truth. Niggas will feel you. Embrace hunger. What don't make you stronger will kill you. The pain will build you. God will heal you. Don't make your moves off a dollar bill. It's not as fail-proof. As say, following your heart that way. Long as you have faith, the path pays tenfold. Me, I chose rapping over class A tempos. Back when rapping still was trying to pass they demos. To A&R reps, I was dubbing Sally Mae, not paying off debts. Through the toughest alleyways, we would pray that our steps were protected by the Lord. Cause what I witnessed. Had all my niggas staying silent like that's none of our business. I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence. Shit.
Damn, son, do you know if I'm a J. Cole, I'm still a J. Cole fan. I'm still disappointed. But if he would have stayed in the beef and like participated in shit like for real, and maybe not fully won but stayed in it, I'd be like, yo, talk that shit, Cole, talk that shit. But I don't want to hear this nigga say nothing like this from what he did. That's the biggest problem, is that this nigga can no longer say anything ever. That's the biggest problem. He boxed himself into that. He could never say anything ever again, ever. Because these raps are fired. He's killing it. But I can't believe you, nigga, at all. At all.
You know, this is not related to what you're talking about, but it's something out from a bar that he mentioned in this song so far. Man, a lot of these rappers that weren't like really thugs, they suffer from like, I don't know if it's like an insecurity or like they act like it's like a weight in their shoulder. Like, oh, I wasn't hard, or I wasn't raised with the hard gangsters, and they're always talking about it. Like, bro, just nobody cares, just rap.
Yeah.
I think Ye suffers from that too. I think because he was like a backpack rapper and he wasn't really like a hood guy or a thug or whatever.
Yeah. I think he said he's part of the Gangster's Disciple though, GD.
Who?
Kanye, yay.
Outta here, that
But
weird.
he didn't do like all the street stuff, I guess, or something. I don't know. But
Nah, I doubt it.
the thing is, and this is like a thing that actually happens, is a lot of people that would like didn't grow up on the streets or maybe grew up in a nice home, family and shit. They for some reason are jealous of people that grew up in the struggle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why,
yeah.
but yeah, I don't know.
Like a run-on sentence, I'm trying to see greener pastures, cause preteens are blasters. Not a lot of talking, but the gun's long-winded. No strap on my body, I'm an unarmed menace. I'm an unarmed menace.
New York, New York. New York, New York. DJ Clue.
Desert storm.
That was Winter Storm Freestyle. Last one, 99 build freestyle. So far, he said that, yo, I'm the greatest still. They're doubting me. He's dissing Drake. So far.
DJ Clue. To the storm. Nigga.
Money, power, respect, what I need in life. Nigga.
I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, steady gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse. These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your source just like the court at your birth. I'm from an alternate dimension, I got lost inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by the streams of kids ordering merch. When niggas hate, it's like a blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quart of water slaughtered my thirst. Songbirds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet. I stay to myself, I ain't talkative. Y'all taught me not to have a heart-to-heart with a monster. They all too heartless, like the skeletons of these fellas locked in the closet. I smelt it from the jump, cause it felt too awkward around it. I fell back. My dog in heaven pushing Hellcats would tell you from the beginning. I wonder how could I dodge it. The beef ain't real, so it ain't no reason to squash it. The game ain't neither, so it's easy for me to pause it with one verse. I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill. Selling drugs to your stereo. Sincerely, it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 99 bill from the Ville, signing mighty fine deals. This year's total was 95 mil. So why do I still grind like I'm trying to retire? My mom's out the post office. From St. John's to the league like I'm Mohawkless. Unloaded the whole cartridge on foes who wholeheartedly oppose the chosen one that rose like the golden sun. In the morning to give light to even those that shun. Raised from the flows, radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra. Known as the rap game that's been overcome with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can. On this album you plan, hoping that y'all
Oh, he's dissing somebody here. Hold on. He's dissing somebody.
game that's been overcome with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can. On this album you plan, hoping it charges your brand. But as soon as you drop it, the world's ignoring again. Got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels. So you wanna hop on a band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option is to do the opposite then.
What do you think he did there? He's definitely directing that at somebody. Someone that dropped an album, probably took shots at J. Cole, but their album still flopped or some shit like that.
Yeah, I'm not sure because I don't be like too deep into it anymore. But that definitely sounded like a direct shot to somebody. Yo, if you guys know in the comments, put it in the comments. Let us know.
Yes, sir.
If hip-hop is back, JID should chart platinum. Anything less than that, it means y'all capping. The fall off is dropping 2-6, stop asking. I wanna thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all start crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks coulda hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype Mike Jordan, just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hip-hop, hip-hop, hip-hop.
Man, I wish there was a renaissance with hip hop, man. I wish.
What do you mean by that?
Like, I wish hip hop like this would be mainstream again, and like hundreds of rappers actually like
Start rapping.
spitting bars, rapping, and every other day is a new rapper with actually good raps, and they're mainstream. Like the radio's playing them, and we're discovering like all this shit.
Mm.
Golden age of the '90s and shit.
I mean, he just said that though. He said something about Jid, like Jid should be going platinum if rappers were, really about rapping, because he's a rapper, like rapper, but he doesn't be going platinum and shit. Only the bullshit be doing numbers. Actually, Motion's not doing numbers anymore, to be honest. So,
And there's a lot of good music out there. Don't get me wrong, people that are listening. But I would like it to be mainstream. Like I would like the world to just be like, yes, this is it. Let's bring it back to this.
yeah,
But
I don't
the
I
album
don't think
was.
it's ever gonna happen.
I mean, I know obviously. um, uh, this was a good track, but I just feel like a lot of the shit that he said in this track, I've heard him say it already before, like in a different way.
Yeah, I mean,
Um,
I exactly what you said. Like, think about most of his features he did. Most of his features that he did before is about him saying, "Yo, I'm the best. Come through. You'll get a black and blue eye or some shit like that." So yeah, that's basically like most of this. He could have just done one long song, really. But I think I saw somewhere, and this actually makes sense, because he's dropping the Fall Off, I think, next month, which is supposed to be his last album, supposedly. And he's been working on it for like over a decade. So some people said that the reason he's doing this little Birthday Blizzard mixtape, is because he's not gonna have like any disses or anything on the Fall Off. So he's doing this for that. That way, there's no distraction from.
I don't know why. I don't know why rappers do that shit. like, oh, this is my last rap off. Oh, I'm gonna retire from rapping. Why do you even have to announce that? Like, just make an album or whatever.
And if you're
And
done,
if you
you're
don't make
done.
any, and if you're done, you're done.
Yeah.
And if you ever want to come back and do something, not saying that even if you say you can't come back, but it's just dumb. Cause like,
Yeah.
really, Nate, this is gonna be your last album. I don't know, man.
We'll see. So that was that. That was the Birthday Blizzard 26 mixtape hosted by DJ Clue by J. Cole. You could go get that right now for $1 or whatever amount you want to purchase it for. I think he did stuff like that before. So if you actually if you went to the store right now, you could technically, or if you went online and got it, you could buy it for $1 if you wanted it or whatever. That was cool. It's good. Like I said, J. Cole is a good rapper, great rapper. I think he's a better rapper than Drake and Kendrick. But I just can't believe this nigga anymore at all. Like when he talks his shit, I can't believe you. So it's over. And I want to show you. But what do you think about the mixtape? You think it was good?
I think it was good. I feel like I would listen to this a few more times. I think.
You think so? That's good.
Yeah.
I would probably listen a couple more times too. For the beat, obviously it's classics. Maybe some shit that maybe I might have missed. It was good. I love listening to freestyles and shit as well. I like people like
Yeah.
hearing them go hard. 'Cause that's where the lyrical miracle spiritual shit is. But yeah, shit was fire.